Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start the next topic of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers, that is use of commas. Here in this section we shall discuss about how to put commas in large numbers. And aid in reading and writing large numbers. How do you read and write large numbers? Try reading the following numbers. So first number is 279453. Next 5035472. 1527000375. 40350894. To read these numbers, we have to identify the digits in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and so on. So after identification of the digits placed in different, that is ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, like this, we can read or write these numbers. So one can extend this idea to numbers up to lakh as seen in the following table. So example, first a number is written in the first column, that is 734543. So these are the places, that is from right side towards left. From extreme right it is ones place, then tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs place and 10 lakh place. So here this number 734543 has 7 in lakhs place, 3 in 10,000 place, 4 in thousand place, 5 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place and 3 in ones place. The number name is 7,34,543. And the expansion of this number is 7 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 or 3. Next number is 3275829. So in this number 3 is in 10 lakh place, 2 is in lakhs place, 7 in 10,000 place, 5 in thousand place, 8 in hundred place, 2 in tens place and 9 in ones place. So the number name is 32,75,829. And the expansion of this number is 3 into 10 lakh plus 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Similarly, we may include numbers up to crore as shown below. So here is a number 25734,543. So here in this number 2 is at crore place, 5 is at 10 lakhs place, 7 is at lakhs place, 3 is at 10,000 place, 4 is at thousand place, 5 is at hundred place, 4 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. And the number name is 2 crore 57 lakh 34,543, and the expansion is 2 into 1 crore plus 5 into 10 lakh plus 7 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Next number is 653275829. Here in this number, 6 is at 10 crore place, 5 is at crore place, 3 is at 10 lakh place, 2 is at lakh place, 7 is at 10,000 place, 5 is at 1000 place, 8 is at 100 place, 2 is at tens place, and 9 is at ones place. And the number name is 65 crore 32 lakh 75,829, and the expansion is 6 into 10 crore plus 5 into 1 crore plus 3 into 10 lakh plus 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Then let us discuss use of commas. How to use commas in different numbers. In writing large numbers, we have often used commas. Commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. While writing number names, we do not use commas. We use commas only when we write the numbers in digits. Let us discuss Indian system of numeration. How to use commas in Indian system of numeration. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs, and then crores, and so on. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place, that means 3 digits from right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that means 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000 place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh place and marks crore. Examples. Here is a number 50801,592. So from right side, after 3 digits comma is there, then again after 2 digits the next comma is there, then again after 2 digits next comma is there. So the number name is 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. Another example 33240,781. So here from right side, after 3 digit 1 comma is there, then again after 2 digit next comma is there, then again after 2 digit next comma is there. So number name is 3 crore 32 lakhs 40,781. Next number 72705,062. So here again from right side, after 3 digits 1 comma is there, then after 2 digits next comma is there, then after 2 digits next comma is there. So the number name is 7 crore 27 lakh 5,000 62. Then let us discuss about international system of numeration. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. 1 million is a thousand thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. In the international system of numeration, comma comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Example, this is a number 50801,592. So from right side, after every 3 digit, there is a comma. So first comma is there after 3 digit, then again after 3 digit, next comma is there. So the number name is 50,801,592. So in international system, it is read as 50,801,592. But in Indian system, it is read as 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592, and the commas are put like this. So one question is there, how many lakhs make a million? The answer is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs makes a million. Then how many millions make a crore? The answer is 10 millions make a crore. So you have to remember, to express numbers larger than a million, a billion is used in the international system of numeration. So remember, 1 million is equal to 1,000,000,000. That is, 1 million is equal to 1,000 thousand. Then 1 billion is equal to 1,000,000,000,000. That is 1 million. 1 billion is equal to 1,000 million. So here this is all about the use of commas in large numbers. Thank you.